Well, I finished welding in that little bracket there for the bumper. I guess I did okay. I'm still learning how to still learning how to weld and blend it in, but I think it'll do once I put some primer on there. I think it'll do just fine. So my next thing is to put in is this inner fender apron, and then I can put this core support on. There's my dog, Wyatt. Wyatt, say hi. He comes out here and hangs out with me. Make sure I'm doing it right. But yeah, I'll do the I'll have to get the core support and the inner fender apron on and try to line up everything. So I'll go ahead and sign off. Just thought I'd make a quick video and get this on YouTube. Let you see what I'm doing. I'll talk to you later.